What happens after I have requested a refund? Hi, I'm Kayla. Once you've submitted a refund request, the author will review it and may contact you for more information, or try and resolve your issue. If your request is approved, we'll let you know. Your request will then be sent to our help team to be processed. Remember, once your refund has been processed, your right to use, download, and rate the item is revoked. If you have purchased more than one license for the same item, the rating will be removed only when the last remaining license has been refunded. If the author declines your request, we'll let you know that it is now closed. If you disagree with the decision, now will be the time to raise a dispute with us. Please note, if your request was sent to the Avicii help team, one of our help officers will be in touch to assist you. How long will it take for my refund request to be processed? If your refund request is sent to an author, you should expect to receive a response within 5 business days. If this doesn't happen, you can raise a dispute, which means you ask our help team to look into it. If your refund request is approved by the author, it is sent to the Avicii Marketplace help team for processing. This usually takes 3 to 5 business days.
What if I need help? If you would like to raise a dispute and ask us to investigate your refund request, then please listen to the following steps listed below. 1. Follow the tracking link you have received in a refund request confirmation email. It will take you to your refund form where you will see a Raise a Ticket or Create a Ticket. 2. Once you click on the Create a Ticket hyperlink, you will be able to provide the information required to proceed with your dispute. 3. Please provide a clear and detailed description of the problem. You can also attach any supporting screenshots. Note, images must be .png or .jpeg and must not be more than 10 megabytes in total. 4. Click the Create Ticket button to complete the action. 5. We will review your dispute within 5 business days. You might want to raise a dispute if your request is valid according to our refund rules, but the author has declined anyway. Investigate all disputes. Reopen a refund that was previously closed, if necessary. Ask both you and the author for more information to get a better idea of what's going on. Review all the information. If your dispute relates to item support, contact the author to request support. For more information, see our item support guidelines. Please remember, if we try and contact you to get more information but we don't receive a response within 5 days, we will resolve the dispute based on the information we have available.
What role does Avicii Marketplace play? We strongly recommend you contact the author as soon as you have an issue with your item. What types of inquiries authors may receive? The item is broken, malfunctioning, or not as described. How do I request a refund? If you have encountered an issue with your item, you may wish to request a refund. If your request meets our Avicii Marketplace refund rules, you can request a refund by clicking on the Request Refund button available on our refund page. Please note, before requesting a refund, there's a possibility that you can easily resolve the issue you're facing with the item before going through the process of requesting a refund. 1. Read the item's installation guide and documentation. 2. Check the item's comments page, as you may find a solution to your issue there. 3. Contact the author via the support tab on the item page if the item is supported. Ensure the item is being used for its intended function and purpose. Check the item description, for example. Is the item meant to be compatible with your WordPress software version? What if the purchased item is no longer available? There are several reasons why an item may be removed from the market and therefore no longer available for download. We recommend that you download and save an item as soon as you buy it, but if the item was removed before you download it, refer to our Avicii Marketplace support page to check if you're eligible for a refund. By the way, I'm Johan. Thanks for visiting Avicii Marketplace. Shop protected. Shop guaranteed. Shop with confidence with Avicii.